Alright, so this is a basic little project I've been working on, pretty stupid. And then what it is, it's a missile with a gate logic guidance computer. It's basically a bunch of really old stuff. It uses the reference between a gyro mounted on the launcher, a gyro mounted internally in the missile, and then this information is fed into the guidance computer. This section's the guidance computer, this section's the firing computer. And then what it does is it rounds the information, subtracts it, gets a difference, and then it figures out what to do with it and fires a set of coarse and fine adjustment thrusters to adjust its heading and course. Even though that's the same thing and I'm fucking retarded. Anyway, so besides that, it's got fins for added stability. It is a two-stage launch, so it's got a soft launch. You got a launch motor that kicks in for 0.45 seconds, detaches, and then fires the main flight motor. And then about 1 second after that, guidance engages and the missile will begin to guide itself towards the target. It's super basic. You can't hit the broadside of a barn with it, but it's really cool. So, here we go. So, it's got a basic launch checklist that will not allow you to fire unless these are fulfilled. So, the criteria are you have to arm it. So I'm going to leave it unarmed for sake of showing y'all. And then it's got a series of greater than gates, and it detects if the guidance computer is detecting that the missile is off axis by too much. So it won't let you fire it while the turret is moving. So just to show y'all, the missile isn't armed, so if I try to fire it, it won't let me fire it. So hit arm. When I hit space, there's going to be I believe a total of a 3-second delay before firing, and then it sends the signal to the firing computer, which does all the fancy stuff to fire. And then after that, it kicks into the guidance computer and begins it to guide. And since I'm going to be showing y'all from the outside, it's not really going to be going anywhere, but you get the point. Hang on. Gotta make sure. Okay. And firing. Motor detaches. Turns on a set of lights for ease of spotting by the gunner. And hit. Kinda cool.